Alright. Alright, today we got an unboxing of what it say right here. Airsoft BB magazine speed loader and 1,000 bag of .12 gram 6mm BBs. I'll be getting the gun like in a couple of days, so I ain't get the gun yet. I got the HKG 36C, I believe, and I heard the gun was shitty, but I couldn't cancel it at the end, so here. There we go. You see, I'm in my bed. Here's a speed loader. Nice packaging. Yep. And here's this. Whoa, they gave me a coupon. There go 1,000 BBs. Yeah, they should be nice and well. Let's take this apart. I'm not taking apart the BBs until I get the gun. Well, here's the speed loader. Let's see. And yeah, this will work kind of good for me. I'll show how to load the gun and everything, and I'll see you when I get the BB gun. So, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll be sure to have more videos soon. Alright, bye.